So when you're running around in that stick shift Chevy, I bet it drives you crazy.